So if you follow me at all on Instagram, you'll see I like to paint signs. This is the first one I made. No paint. It's got a little bit of texture to it. Nice and heavy. The second one I made a few mistakes. I had to surface it. It's smooth. You can see it's a little bit thinner. Still a good looking sign. Look at this. You don't get results like this painting. Raised. I don't know if it's embossed or debossed. It's some kind of bossed, I know that. But maybe it's not even bossed, I don't know. But anyways, if you want to see how I made these, come check it out. So I wanted to do a sign and I wanted to make it a little bit different. So I decided that I was going to, instead of paint it, I wanted to use epoxy. I got these pigments from Total Boat, some black, some gold, and some white. And I figured, you know what? Why not make this? So the first thing we're going to do is cut out the black. I picked the black because it was the most, I think. I don't know. It's going to cut about a ½ inch. We're going to see how it looks and go on from there. May look like crap. I don't know. This dispensing pump from Total Boat makes mixing epoxy a real breeze. I used to struggle with mixing epoxy, but whether I need a little bit or a lot, this makes it real simple. Thank you, Total Boat. Now, one of the biggest mistakes a lot of people make is not mixing it enough. So, even though your arm's ready to fall off, you gotta keep mixing. What do you think? Not bad. Wow. So crazy.
So crazy.